2017 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, third row seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar, ABS 4-wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats, electronic stability control, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.